In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so your existing information moves smoothly into your workspace. Start by opening ClickUp and signing in. Once you're in, look toward the top of the interface for your workspace name. This is usually in the upper left. Click it to open the workspace menu. From there, head into Settings. This is where ClickUp keeps the tools that control how your workspace behaves, including options to bring data in or send it out. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Imports, Exports. Go ahead and open that. This page is dedicated to moving information between ClickUp and other tools, and it's where you'll begin the import process. Now choose how you want to import. If your information lives in a structured table with rows and columns, like a CSV or an Excel file, select the option to import from a sheet. If your content is text-based, like meeting notes, outlines, or a document you want to turn into tasks, choose the document option. This choice simply tells ClickUp how to interpret your file so it can place everything correctly. When you've made your selection, click Start. ClickUp will guide you through the rest with on-screen prompts. For sheet imports, you'll typically be asked to confirm that the first row contains headers and then map your columns to ClickUp fields, things like task name, description, assignee, due date, and any tags or custom fields you use. Take a moment here to make sure dates look correct. Check that names match your workspace's users and verify that any status or priority columns align with how you manage work in ClickUp. If you're importing a document, you'll usually identify how the text should convert into tasks. Headings might become task titles, while bullet points or checkboxes can become subtasks or descriptions. Skim the preview to ensure the structure matches your intentions before moving on. As you proceed, ClickUp will ask where the imported items should live. Select the space, folder, or list that best fits your workflow. A quick review screen often appears. Use it to catch anything out of place. When everything looks right, confirm to begin the import. You'll see a progress indicator as ClickUp processes your file. Larger files can take longer, so give it a moment. When it's done, your tasks, details, and structure will appear in the destination you chose, ready to use with your team's views, automations, and reporting. And that's all there is to it. Your data is now in ClickUp and ready to work for you.